In today's video, I am going to teach you how to live stream on Wix. To get started, open your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your site content and video settings. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the video library section. In that area, select Live Stream. This will take you to the part of Wix where you can set up and organize a live broadcast for your audience. After that, click the Create Live Stream button in the dashboard panel. This opens the setup screen for your new live event. If this is your first time using the feature, take a moment to review the page so you know where each setting is located. Wix keeps this process fairly simple, so you can move through it without much trouble. Next, fill in the basic details for your stream. Start with the title. Make it clear and specific so viewers immediately understand what the live stream is about. Then add a description. This is a good place to give a little more context, such as the topic of the stream or what viewers can expect during the session. Keep it direct and easy to read. You will also need to choose a display thumbnail image. This image acts as the visual cover for your live stream, so pick something that matches the content and looks professional. A clean, relevant thumbnail can help your stream stand out and make a stronger first impression when people see it on your site. Once those details are in place, assign the live event to an existing video channel or category. This helps keep your content organized and makes it easier for visitors to find the stream in the right section of your website. If you already use channels or categories to group your videos, choose the one that best fits this event. After you have entered the information and selected the proper channel or category, click Next to save everything. This confirms your setup information and moves the process forward inside Wix. At this point, your live stream details are in place and ready for the next stage of setup within the platform. The main thing is to make sure your title, description, thumbnail, and channel selection are all accurate before moving on, since these details shape how your stream appears to your audience. That covers everything you need to know.